together and did one of these, huh? Even with half a crew.
Half the crew. We have no conspiracies with Eddie. Brian not dropping some old school knowledge on us. You're lucky because in Rotterdam, I'm sure he had some gems for you.
Yeah, he probably explained the government to us.
He would explain their whole government system. And then Eddie, I went, man, I feel a little flat today. And Eddie went, did you say flat?
Yeah.
And then just went off.
Eddie's full on these days, apparently. They were debating whether or not
he's crazy.
North Korea is like what's happening in North Korea. Like he doesn't believe any of it. And they were debating like why you don't fall off the earth. Is that what was going on?
Yeah, like why if the earth is spinning so fast and we're going so fast through and on a turn, how come we're not just flying off of it?
And when you say debating who?
Other dudes that are there with him. It's like one of those things where you could find out about gravity. You just do a Google search and read some papers about how mass works and how it works in space and what gravity is and what causes the force of gravity. I mean, it's all they've done experiments for hundreds of years.
That's fake news according to them, Joe. It's fake news.
I think he's enjoying himself. I think half the fun.
You don't think he really believes it?
I think he does. But half the reason why he believes it is because he's enjoying himself. He's spicing up life with these wacky conspiracies. Like everything's a goddamn conspiracy.
Everything.
You never hear Eddie like look at something that's in the news and go, well, it's probably we're just looking into it too much.
Never. Everything. Like even that Chester Bennington, the Lincoln Park guy. He's like, you know about that, right? I'm like, I don't.
He believes
I don't,
that,
man. I definitely don't.
Well, the problem with that one is, man, like the guy's dead, and if he killed himself, and he's got kids and a family, like God,
6 kids, Mr. Rogan. 6 kids.
That's a hard one. It's a hard pill.
It's a tough pill to swallow, yeah. But also, I think you need people like Eddie in this world. I like the Eddies in the world. Like, I don't want everyone to agree with all the news.
Oh, well.
I think it's fun to a certain point.
Well, that's one of the reasons why Eddie's such a jiu-jitsu genius. It's because he marches to the beat of his own drummer. I mean, he really does. He has, like, ideas in his head, and then he's just like, we're going to make this fucking work.
But when you say drum, it's not like your standard drum. It's like a starship drum, and there's an alien with 7 arms banging it while we're...
You're not sure if the eclipse is real or if it's a NASA hoax to sell sunglasses. It's hilarious.
See, I enjoy it. Callan, it drives him nuts. But I'm like, I want colorful people in the world, man.
Callan is almost as silly in the other direction.
Correct.
Callan never believes anything's a conspiracy.
Ever.
He thinks Lee Harvey Oswald acted alone. And he'll tell you about, actually, you should read Vincent Bugliosi's book. Like, yeah, I have. It sucks. You didn't read it.
Then I feel like we're in the middle. You and I usually agree on, like, I'm like, I could see that. Right. Like, I get it. Like, I'll entertain it. But until we start talking about the earth is flat, then I'm out.